In my mathematical world, I have one little problem. Bryce was telling me about working in wildlife conservation in Georgia, helping me understand the information he shared. A forestry department planted 75,000 trees in a reserve. If they later planted an additional 28,640 trees, what is the total number of trees planted in the reserve? Bryce conducted a wildlife census in a forest and counted 89,724 animals. Round this number to the nearest thousand and compare it with the expected count of 90,000 animals. A fishery biologist stocked a lake with 365 fish. Bryce said each fish produces 1,000 eggs. How many eggs will be produced in total? In a hatchery, there are 24 tanks, and each tank contains 18 fish. How many fish are there in total? Bryce said the fishery manager needs to distribute 4,896 fingerlings equally among 8 ponds. How many fingerlings does each pond receive? Calculate the annual fish production if a fish farm produces 3,500 kilograms of fish per month. Bryce worked with a game warden who patrolled 286 acres of wildlife habitat in a week. If each acre requires an average of $12 for maintenance, determine the total cost for habitat management. The dimensions of a rectangular wildlife sanctuary are 45 meters by 32 meters. What is the area of the sanctuary? Bryce said a conservation project spent $4,800 on habitat restoration, $2,400 on equipment, and earned $7,200 from guided tours. How much money was gained or lost? In an environmental conservation project, 3/5 of a liter of one ecological solution is mixed with 4/5 of a liter of another. What is the total volume of the mixture? Bryce said 3/8 of a liter of a specific animal supplement was used in a reserve. If 3/8 of a liter was left, how much was initially in the container? In a national park, there are 58,320 acres of forest. If Bryce said 29,437 acres are designated as protected, how much land is available for logging? Compare the number in the tens place and the number in the thousands place of the protected acres. How many times greater is the 9 in the thousands place than the 3 in the tens place?